A pocket-sized camera, the Sony ZV-1 Fahrenheit is designed to be your first vlog camera. From social media to YouTube video, elevate your vlogging easily with great image and audio quality. Keeps your face bright to make you beautiful and shapely. Menu, select the face for which you want to use the beauty effect. Natural skin tone. Without any special settings, the ZV-1 Fahrenheit will accurately capture your skin tone, ensuring you a healthy and natural look. Stay in focus. Using IAF, the camera automatically recognizes human faces and eyes, making sure you stay in focus in front of the lens. Ultra-wide, angle 20mm 1' lens, ideal for group selfies and background scenery. Vari-angle LCD for selfies. Bright and low light. In this video I wanted to show you what this camera looks when filming indoors with low light situation. You will see according to your mind. Fast focus for product reviews. In our hands-on Sony ZV-1 Fahrenheit review, we put the product to the test to see if it's easy to use. Eye autofocus and product focus works great. Active stabilization. The Sony ZV-1 Fahrenheit has decent image stabilization built in, which they call steady shot. Active is what you want to use for run and gun vlogging. And we leave active stabilization on about 90% of the time. Just press for blurry background. You can change the level of defocus in the background simply by pressing a key while shooting still images or movies. Hyperlapse. The camera has slow and quick motion shooting, which enables either 5x slow motion or 60x hyperlapse capture. This footage is recorded in HD. Slow motion. Make every movement more cinematic with super slow motion video, capturing the most fleeting of moments for playback at up to 40x slower than real time. Creative look. Look is a term referring to the looks and impressions of images generated by various factors, such as color, sharpness, brightness, etc. Touch operation. A touchscreen makes camera operation more convenient. Learn all about the specs of the rear LCD on the Sony ZV-1 here. Remote shooting. The ZV-1 Fahrenheit is designed to be your first vlog camera, from social media to YouTube. It also turns your phone into a remote control for remote shooting. Tag the best scenes. Capture those touching moments in slow motion or ramp up the energy for dramatic scenes, all without any editing. With the ZV-1 Fahrenheit, you can adjust the footage. Quick data transfer. You can transfer images to a smartphone by selecting images on the camera. The following is the procedure for transferring the image currently displayed on. Free of wind noise. Sets whether or not to reduce wind noise by cutting the low-range sound of the input audio from the built-in microphone. Clear voice recording. Indoors or outdoors, the ZV-1 Fahrenheit is designed to always capture your voice clearly no matter where you're shooting. Step up your live stream. With this firmware update, users can easily connect the ZV-1 to a PC via USB to utilize the high-quality video stream and built-in microphone for crystal clear audio for everyday uses, from live streaming via social media platforms to video conferencing. Tech enthusiasts consider it to be the best vlogging camera ever. Sony is currently keen to launch mid-budget digital cameras with great features.